This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. Here my helper, Carlitos, Bonito. I'm happy because I received the product that I ordered like more than a week ago. But it was so good. Let me show. And this is a product especially to clean the shower glass. It has been really well recommended by Mike. I don't know his last name. Mike P. And this is by this company. Cuidado con lo blanco, que Blake se lo coma. The Grout Floor. Easy to order. The product is called Glass and Metal Magic. I ordered 1 gallon and I paid $109. I couldn't buy the quart, but I know that I'm gonna love this product. So this is it. Glass and Metal Magic to remove water spot and stain remover, to remove heavy mineral deposits, cement or acid rain. Awesome. Open it. Blake, no, papi. Let's see the ten cuidado que este se trague. Is this color? Let me see the texture.
It's beige. Yeah.
Yeah. So I will try as soon as I have a bad shower glass. I'm crazy. I want to test it already. I don't have any shower glass in my house. Magic all glass and metal magic. Awesome. Thank you, Mike, for recommending me this product. Bye.